Casambi app Quick Get Started video. Firstly, the device needs to be powered on. Open Casambi app. Accept the license agreement and privacy policy. Click Continue. The app will automatically search for all Casambi devices within the Bluetooth range of mobile devices. Click Add individually to create a network. Click Evolution. Enter network name. Click Sharing. Suggest using the administrator-only sharing mode. Enter email address. Set administrator password. Click Done. Change location to current location. Click Done. Click Mode. Select the corresponding performance mode as needed. Use default frequencies. Click Done. Click OK. At this point, the corresponding lighting fixtures will enter a flashing state. Click Add to Test. Successfully added, the next device will automatically enter a flashing state. Click Add to Test 2. After adding, click on the blank space next to it to enter the newly created network. There will be a simple control instruction for the first entry. Next, let's demonstrate the control of the luminaires. Press and hold the luminaires to slide left and right to adjust the brightness. Click on the luminaires to turn on or off the lights. The All Luminaires button operates in the same way. Double-click on the luminaires to open its settings and modify its name, icon, etc. Long press the luminaires to open the main adjustable parameter page. This interface allows for the adjustment of the main parameters of the luminaires. Next, we will enter the scene page. Click Add Scene. Enter scene name. Click Add Scene. Select the luminaires that need to be added. Adjust the brightness of the luminaires in this scene. Click Continue. Choose an icon for the scene. Click Done. Scene creation successful. Adjust the brightness of all luminaires to its maximum. Return to scene page. Click on the bed scene. The brightness of the luminaires can be adjusted to the setting of the scene. Next, we will enter the gallery page. Click Edit. Click the plus sign. Choose to take a photo or choose existing. Choose to take photo this time. Allow app requests. Click Use Photo. Click the plus sign in the upper left corner to add a luminaires. Select the corresponding luminaires in the photo. Click Done. A circle appeared in the middle of the page. Drag this circle onto the corresponding luminaires. Add another luminaires. Click Done. At this point, the brightness of the luminaires can be adjusted on the photo using the same method as on the luminaires page. Click More page. Click Nearby devices. If you need to add new devices in the future, you can add them on this page. Click Change Network. You can create a new network on this page. More product information can be found on the BOKE official website.